This bird faces storms stronger than itself, and yet it never gives up. Watch closely, there is a lesson here. Birds are small, fragile, often unnoticed. Yet, every day they face rain, wind, hunger, and danger, and still they rise. No applause, no audience, just wings and instinct. Some birds travel thousands of kilometers without rest. Others build homes without nothing but twigs and patience. Some sing at dawn, not because life is easy, but because survival demands courage. When storms come, birds don't fight the wind. They lean into it. They adjust. They just trust their wings. Many don't make it. But those who do teach us something powerful. A bird doesn't know if food will be there tomorrow, yet it wakes up and sings anyway. It doesn't wait for perfect conditions. It moves one flight at a time. Birds don't carry fear into the sky. They trust what they were created to do. Every injured bird try again. Even tired wings A bird doesn't know if food will be there tomorrow, yet it wakes up and sings anyway. It doesn't wait for perfect conditions. It moves one flight at a time. Birds don't carry fear into the sky. They trust what they were created to do. Every injured bird try again. Even tired wings still flutter. Birds don't carry fear into the sky. They trust what they were created to do. Even injured birds try again. Even tired, wings still flutter. In their silence, birds remind us: 1. You don't need to be loud to be strong. 2. You don't need to be seen to matter. Sometimes, simply continuing is bravery. So the next time life feels heavy, remember the bird. I wonder, what has nature taught you about life? Share in the comments. Like and subscribe for more animal stories that inspire.